So with the silver and gold market right now, we're getting really to an interesting point right now, and especially this is the silver market here, and wow, one of the best things I do say, guys, is sometimes when you're involved with markets. Now, this is people that are if you're an investor, I'm doing technical analysis on a chart on a short-term level. What's been happening the last month? You're an investor. You're buy and hold for long term, right? People are like, oh. Like, just don't mix them up. Don't mix them up, right? And if you are an investor, I mean, you see big moves in the markets over the next 4 or 5 years, and that's what you believe, then also understand how does that big move happen. We go through swings, right? We might go off for 2 or 3 months, and then we inevitably have a bit of a pullback, right? Or a bit of a drop in the markets. But looking at the markets right now, sometimes one of the best things you can do, sometimes, especially lately with all the markets, right? Sometimes the best thing to do is do nothing, right? Because I guarantee you right now, there's at least 80% of you watching this video right now saying, man, I'm having a really bad year. This market is volatile. It's chopping me out. I'm getting whipsawed around, right? You're probably going through that phase there right now. In the markets there. And so when we're looking at all these here, right, and we're looking at these things in the markets, sometimes the best thing to do is do nothing. Because by you actually doing something when you shouldn't be doing something, then that's what causes you to go backwards, right? So action, sometimes just sitting back, just relax and let the thing do. And the reason I'm saying that is silver's been one of those things. Even though silver's been going up for the last month, it has just been really slow, really lackluster, nothing too strong. In fact, look at this here. Just really nothing going on from here. Looking at the actual gold price as well. And gold is still continuing to slowly go up from here. But once again, guys, it's so fascinating to see to me when it comes to these markets here. Now remember, for a trading opportunity, guys, you don't try to be right with these markets. What I mean by that is, like, if you get into gold now and it does go to 3,000 or 3,100 and you got it right, beautiful, fantastic. Now, what I want you to do is that system that you use to make that profit, now go repeat that for the rest of your life, and now you're going to make money for the rest of your life. Oh wait, you can't, because you just guessed, right? It was just a guess. That's where trading professionally is not about getting it right. Trading professionally is not about knowing what's going to come next. So many of you guys are trying to just guess where this market's going to go and then trade off that. That's not a professional trader, right? A professional trader has a system that he knows he can rely on for the rest of your life. Guessing, guess what? And that's where a lot of you guys don't have confidence in your trading system, because I guarantee you your last 10 trades have been based off something different, based off a YouTube video, based off this indicator, based off this, and it's all over the place. So when we're looking at actual gold right now, there's still a lot of danger with gold, a lot of danger on a short-term level, right? And the reason why is because look how high we are. So yes, we can still keep going up, but for a trading purposes, this is screaming no to me. This is screaming exit the door. Why? Because inevitably we are going to inevitably we are going to go through one of these sort of corrections, bit of a sideways pullback. All right, the market. Once again, guys, the market will not just this. Look how vertical this has been. The market's not just, gold's not just going to keep doing that and keep doing that and keep doing that. It's not going to do that, right? It's not how markets work. That's not the truth about the markets, right? It's like, don't take my word for it. Look at the way these markets operate, and then we can understand that. The reason I'm saying that is that if you're looking to get into gold right now because you think you're missing the boat and, oh my goodness, it's going to go to 3,100, it's going to 4,000, going to 5,000, stop, right? And this is where a lot of traders get it wrong. And I'm seeing this right now with a few markets out there. I'm seeing a lot of traders. One of the biggest mistakes they're doing is they're getting in. Market goes up for a month, then they get in. Then the market drops, they get stopped out. Oh, the market's against me. No, you just got in at the wrong time, right? What happens? Market goes up, then we get a pullback. Goes up, goes a pullback, it goes up, right? We wait for these drops to create the higher low, Wait for this period here first, then get on the move, right? This period here first, then get on the move. Now is not the right time. It's not a smart idea to be getting involved with on a short-term one. This is not investing for you guys, okay? You guys are long-term buy and hold physical. Who gives a shit about what I just said about the last 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 1 year worth of price action, right? Because you're holding the 2030, and that's what should you review. But just so you know, if you are an investor of these markets, you're buying hold for many years, the market is going to go up and down in a big bull market. We may go up for 40% and then it may correct 10% and then so on and so forth. That's what big bull markets are all about.